Thundercats, go! Oh, I have such a cute face, too.
Kitty, look at me.
Come here.
Hey, Thunder. Can we call it Thunder? Thunder.
And you, kitty.
Hey, Thunder.
Oh, so cute.
Thunder, Thunder. Thunder, Thunder. Thunder. Thunder.
Why is he? I'm looking at it. Why is it?
I think he,
asthma.
I think he's saved.
I think he has asthma or something. Look at an asthma attack because of his horniness.
You're saved. You're good. It's good.
Hey, it was good. Alright. Come here often? No, kitty, that's my papa. No, kitty, that's my box.
Kitty. Alright, okay. You're going on a diet, and then you stop smoking cigarettes.